Hello and hi to everyone. Do you love nature and are the owner of parrots? Do you want to learn the ideas and strategies for keeping parrots active and engaged? Are you looking for parrot training? As a parrot owner, are you struggling with the behavioral issues of parrots and looking for solutions? Do you want to know the details about diet, exercise, and enrichment of parrots? This video is all about presenting an ebook named the Parrot Playbook. Strategies for your bird active, which is a comprehensive guide for parrot owners who want to provide their birds with the best possible quality of life. The book covers a wide range of topics, including diet, exercise, socialization, and enrichment. By following the suggestions and strategies outlined in the book, parrot owners can create a stimulating and engaging environment that promotes overall health and well-being for their feathered friends. The book also includes a wealth of information on parrot behavior and communication. This can be especially helpful for new parrot owners who may not be familiar with parrot body language or vocalizations. To get the book, the link has been provided in the description and comment box. Go get your book and enjoy a wonderful life with your feathered friends. At the end of the video, we would like to thank you for being with us. Hope you will like the suggested book. Share this information with your friends who like the company of feathered friends. Subscribe to the channel for further interesting information. Shall see you again. Take care, bye bye.